So we are back once again, another day, trying to make another dollar. Nike Outlet for yourself, the squad watching, as well as myself for reseller. Hopefully we can find something that's interesting. Empty here. Let's go inside and see. We never know what's up until we know. Never have I seen this color of the Adapt-BB. What do you guys think about this? I think this one is fire, bro. Never seen it before. This colorway is dope. What do you guys think from a 1 to 10 scale? Copper pass. We got the LeBron 18 low tune squads here. Still retail though. Size 8.5, 160 on the retail. Pretty dope. Got this colorway of the KD. I don't think I've ever seen this colorway before. Have you guys? 1 to 10 scale, what do we think about these KDs? This colorway is pretty dope. Never seen it before. If you guys know what this is called, let me know. It is a size 10.5. Copper pass. I don't know if this was here last time we came, but 54 for 150. That's not a bad price point. Looking them up for FBA, this is pretty good for me too. If you guys want to see the results of that, go ahead and check out the Bobby Thrift channel, you dig? So we finding some pretty good stuff so far. Let me know what you guys think, of course, in the comment section below. We got $29 for 120. Now, these are not going to be for Amazon, even though I would like them to be. 29 for Doom. It's just, you can't pass it up. They're going for anywhere from $80 to $100 on eBay. So we about to scoop up five of these, bro. So nothing yet for the squad today, but we did find some good things for retail arbitrage. Once again, if you guys want to find out the details of this, go ahead and check out my Bobby Thrift channel. Human Race basketball shoe here for 150 with 40% off. That colorway is not too bad on those. We got some Hardens, $99 with 40% off. Then we got some more Hardens here. I haven't seen these volume 4s before. Come on down to Dames that are now down to 89 bucks. Got these James Hardens too, $99. As opposed to what, 130? Some Dames here, these are regular price, 110. If we got another pair of Dame 7s, 110 for $89. Gray school size with the Dame 7s for $90 with the 40% off. Got these down issues, not bad either. Another colorway, the Harden Volume 5s, 110 to retail. Does not say additional 40% off on these though. Gray school. Back at beautiful East LA. You gotta love the murals and paintings on the side of the wall. What's good, YouTube? Bossco Mitchell back again with another video. Hopefully you guys having a great day. Like I said, East LA Outlet, hopefully everything is good in here. Hopefully everything's good with you watching the video. Hit the like button, smash the like button, maybe even share the video. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Shout out to the squad. Let's go. Still gotta be low key here. Not many people here, but let's go ahead and dive in and see what's good. We'll check out apparel too, but let's get into the shoes. And if there's anything worthwhile, of course, I'll let you guys know. Adapt-BB is $219. $99 as opposed to $140. This colorway is not too bad. LeBron Soldiers, $140 as opposed to $99. And a couple colorways, the black colorway too, that's not bad. LeBron. Hello, how you doing today? Not bad, not bad. Check out the aisles. KD Trade 5.8, 69 bucks as opposed to 90. They got this PGTB. I like this Carolina blue colorway, $89 as opposed to 110. Element React 55. Fly Trap, KHAKI Fly Trap. This is not bad. 69 for 130. I've seen this before inside the stores. I'm gonna look this up and see what I can do with that. But 69 for 130, that's not bad. Monarchs, for those of you guys who like those, 50 for 70. KHAKI Fly Trap 4, lime green colorway, $90. Fly Trap 3. So on the aisles, they got these LeBron Witnesses. I've showed these before. These are pretty good. $79. Size 14 on these. They got the SNKRHEADZ here. This is a size 14 also. $89 on these. We'll just keep it running if I see more stuff. Wow, look at this. These Air Max size 50, 150 still. Kyrie Low, this is the bigger sizes right here. More Kyrie lows, size 16 or 17. Vapor Max Evo, size 12 for 200. I would show that, but that's still retail. Trying to find some deals that might be discounted, but you won't see too much of that. $159 for those. If I see something worthwhile, of course I'll tell you guys, but nothing super crazy right now. KHAKIs, 89 for size 11 on those. Got these ones. These are pretty cool. Never seen these before. $125 still retail. We got these LeBron lows. $79 size 12. Somebody might want that. Air Force Ones. This is the Bayou. 110 on those. I got one with patent leather on them. I've never seen these. $125 still retail though. Not a whole lot going on. Got the Flytrap 4 in the red colorway, not bad. There. And if there is something here, it's not on sale. 60. Kyrie still 130. The Brooklyn Beach. KHAKIs. Nike Free Run Trail. Nothing really to write home about today. It is during the week. I do like these LeBron Witnesses though. Those are pretty good. I just wish they had the full box on them. PG5s, PlayStation still posted up. They got these Deltas in this colorway. This is pretty dope. Size 9 for 160. Yeah, these Deltas are dope. We bought these for Squad before. The colorway is dope too. I'm not mad at them. Look like they're very comfortable. You guys got some feedback on that, let us know. PGs again, 59, size 10. Ran through, look like they've been ran through. We got some KDs up here, size 9, still 150 though. KD 14 again. This is the sunset colorway of the KD. 150 on these. Size 8.5, still retail though. They got the LeBron 8 Toon Squad. Very dope and clean shoe. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Very clean. Got some of these Air Max 90s. This colorway is fire actually. Size 5 retail on them. Still retail, I mean. Let's see. I thought they had some 3M, so that's why I put the light on it, but it don't. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Before, I guess they got more of them. Not mad. What do you guys think about these? They also got the Blazer lows on deck too. These Blazers are kind of different type of material on them. 110 as the retail. They got some Pegasus 37, still retail at 120. Pegasus 38, these are fire, but they're still 130, but that's a fire colorway. Pegasus 38 LE, 120. That's not bad, 69 for 150. And they got these. Always interesting for these Jordans for the women. 7.5, Delta 2, 130 on the price point. Ladies watching this, what do you guys think about these in the comment section below? I haven't seen this colorway. Nike Air Max Plus 3. This is a pretty dope colorway though. I'm not mad at this one at all. Never seen it before. 1 to 10 scale. 1 to 10 scale. What do you guys rate these? Fire USA apparel. 130 on the retail for this jacket. Stitched in. Fire. It's the basketball one. Definitely a dope situation. Just the price point is not what I'm going for. They also got these here, and they have a sales tag, but it's still 120, which I believe, but they were normally 150, maybe? A lot of dope apparel here, too. Didn't really see anything that stood out when I glanced through here. This is, okay, this jersey right here is pretty dope, but what's the price on it? I'm always dropping heat, never mind that, y'all. But this jersey's dope. $14.99 on it, was $50. We're definitely gonna scoop this one. Let's go ahead and dive here and see if there's anything else. Got 2 of them. Hopefully they're both $14.99. 21. Let me see if I can get that matched price point, because one is 14 and one's 21. So hopefully I can get that matched. If I can, I'll scoop both of them. This hoodie's dope. 69 used to be 100. The colorway is fire. Nothing on the back, very plain Jane. We got 3 of them. 21. So I'm gonna find out what the deal is with that. There's 3 of them right there, all different, or 2 different prices. Is this Marion Barber? Oh, Smith. This jersey's fire. Dallas Cowboys stand up, 150 on the retail though. What do you guys think about that? A lot of stuff just hidden in here. You gotta search through it and sift through it and see what you would like, you know what I'm saying? Nike. Okay, slide through some more. Got a Rams jersey. Shout out to Golf, I guess, Jared Goff. Shout out to the Rams fan out there. Rams fan indeed. What's good, my dude? 59 for this LeBron hoodie. Okay, what's this jacket talking about? 59 on that too. 49 for this jacket. That's pretty fire. Los Dodgers jersey is fire too. What do you guys think about this? Only $80 on the retail. Ray-Gun tees here. The Funk Ray-Gun tee. Get that tag out of there. $29 for 59. Got the Funk on there. Not bad at all. Nothing on the back of the tee. All-Star Game shirt. Kawhi Leonard tee. Retail on that is $35 still. Dodger jersey. Nike branding right there, stitched in letters. $79, normally $135. Robinson, Jackie Robinson on the back. I think we did have some people looking for these. What do you think about these in the comment section below? This is a size extra large. Do It tee is pretty dope. $19 on that retail. Got some shorts here, some loose fit shorts. $34 on that. Nike tee we have seen at the other outlet too. Looking, these are what we got on deck here for, I guess, the retros and like hype shoes. They only have 3 left. The tee is pretty dope. Got like some extra type of fabric on there. This thing looks pretty fire. Don't see the retail tag on it. Oh, it's $14.99 on that. I like that design, that USA design on it. What's this one here? Okay, we've seen these before. The red one also. That's got a black one with the glove on it. What's this white one here? USA. Nope. That's pretty fire though. The hoodie pretty dope. Got some 3M on a Nike swoosh. $44 as opposed to $60. That's pretty dope. What do you guys think about that? Put that light on it so you guys can see. Swoosh Life. Pretty dope. $9.99 on these. It's not bad at all. Swoosh Life in that colorway. $14 on the white one though. Nike hoodie. $34. It used to be $85, I guess. Nike apparel just depends on, you know, your style, your flavor. If there's something here that you guys see you want to know more about, let me know. Screenshot it, especially if you're squad. I'll come back and check it out for you. This jacket is hard. Used to be $100, now on sale for $69. Can't go wrong with that. Nice hoodie and shirt. Nike Los Angeles. There's different type of things down here, you know what I mean? So this is on sale $44 as opposed to $70. Nike SB, Nike SBT, SB hoodie. I got another colorway too. Matches those Griffies. Retail tag is $21 on these. What's good, y'all? Wasn't too much there. I mean, they had a selection of some things, but nothing too crazy. We did send out stuff for the squad, nothing really interesting. Let me know what you guys think about those finds there. We did see some Jordan 1 mids. We did see the LeBron 8 Space Jams. A few other comfortable shoes there, but not too many deals. I'm gonna go back and get those jerseys if I don't find nothing here at this Foot Locker right here. And without further ado, man, let's go ahead and check it out and see what's good. Wow. Jewelry section, they still got the 7s. They got these mids right here and those mids. They got one pair right here of a size 12 and these 13s. I don't know if anybody likes those or not. Those are not bad. Selection's kind of dry, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. For the ladies that watch the channel, I like this colorway, the Air Max 90, 1 to 10 scale. What do you think about these? These are fire. Normally $120 down to $100. Cop or pass on these. $160 down to $80. That's not bad on these also. What do you guys think about the 270 RHEADZ? I'm gonna skip past it, but I guess they got some of these on deck too. Core purple for the women. These are pretty dope too for the ladies with the little mint green on there. Pretty dope. These are $90 on the retail. Now, here goes some dunks I haven't seen yet. Are these popular? Are these popping? Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Not familiar with them. Feel like this could be a dope colorway, but I could be wrong. Let me know what you guys think.